back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to track the keyboard inputs in native macOS application using Swift. So let's get started. I'm using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. I'll quickly run my application and show you guys the output. So basically whenever I type something, we can track what the user is actually typing, but be careful, like this is only for your own app. This won't work for other apps as well. Okay, so suppose if I press the arrow key, up arrow key, here you can see it is telling me that I pressed down and pressed up. So here it is printing twice because I have added this as well as this, and for key up it is only one. So you can just comment out if you are not in. Here I am just tracking few keys only, but even if you press something apart from these few keys, I am tracking it over here. So it's your wish how you want to track it. Suppose if I press R, here you can see 15, 15 and 15. Okay, in default it is printing everything, so I'll just comment it out if you want to. So that's how you can track it. If I press enter, here you can see I have pressed enter. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created an inside your view controller I have imported event monitor, and we inside view did load we just call this start monitoring keyboard events, and in view this will disappear, we will just stop monitoring those keyboard events again. Okay, and here you can see that we just call start monitoring keyboard events. So suppose if I go over here, if I type something, okay, so what basically I'm doing is that I'm initializing our event monitor which we had over here. Okay, quickly let me just check. Yeah, we don't need any permission as such. Okay, this is fine. So here inside start monitoring keyboard events, we are just initializing our event monitor. So I'm matching the key down, and here we are also adding a listener for our key up as well. So handle key up. Then I have just created two methods. So this is for handle key down, this is for handle key up. So yeah, that's how I'm tracking it. Pretty simple. You can move this inside your app delegate as well if you want to track for the entirety of your app. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can track keyboard input in a native macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.